video of the prank has collected millions of views already, at the same time get more negative feedback. It all started when a prankster named Josh Popkin, or also known as at FCK Josh in TikTok, created a prank, where he dumped a crate full of milk and cereal on a New York City subway, and left. This prankster with more than 3 million followers, is currently facing massive backlash from his own followers due to the prank. Many describe the prank as disrespectful to New York Metropolitan Transportation Authority employees, who had to clean up his mess after he left, since it created extra effort for essential workers, who are working in the middle of the pandemic. When the video was reposted on Twitter, the New York Metropolitan Transportation Authority responded to it, with a sternly worded tweet and called it a new low. Right now, the video gained more than 5.8 million views on the social media platform, along with hundreds of feedback criticizing the TikTok user's prank. According to a representative from the New York Police Department's Office of the Deputy Commissioner of Public Information said that it was looking into the matter now. Here's the full video of the prank, and let us know your thoughts on it.
I accidentally dropped a whole tub of cereal on the subway today. I was like, oh my god, this is the worst day of my life. Not my Fruity Pebbles. Everyone started moving away and filming me, but I was like, can someone help? Surprisingly, no one offered, so I had to put all the soggy cereal back in myself. Someone was like, I cannot believe this is happening. I was like, I can't believe this is happening again.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch our other videos. Thank you.